Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use the Allstate Drivewise app in 2025. The Drivewise app is a tool designed to help you drive safer and smarter by providing personalized feedback and rewards for good driving habits. First, you need to download and install the Drivewise app on your mobile device. Once installed, you will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you will need to connect your vehicle to the app by plugging in a small device into your car's onboard diagnostics port. The Drivewise app tracks your driving habits such as speed, braking, and acceleration, and provides you with a score based on your performance. The app also offers tips and suggestions on how to improve your driving skills and reduce your score. To get the most out of the app, make sure to drive safely and defensively, avoiding hard braking and rapid acceleration. You can also compete with friends and family members to see who can achieve the best driving score. In addition to providing feedback on your driving habits, the Drivewise app also offers rewards and discounts for good driving. The more you drive safely, the more rewards you can earn. You can redeem these rewards for discounts on your insurance premiums, gift cards, and other prizes. To track your progress and rewards, navigate to the dashboard section of the app. Here, you can view your current score, track your progress over time, and redeem your rewards. The app also allows you to set goals and challenges for yourself, such as improving your score or reducing your braking frequency. By following these steps and using the Drivewise app regularly, you can become a safer and more defensive driver, and earn rewards for your good driving habits. Remember to always drive safely and follow the rules of the road. And use the Drivewise app as a tool to help you improve your driving skills.